Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete from Airkewld with another little tech tip to kind of guide you down the installation of your ultimate beam. We're working on a Project 67 Beetle that we recently purchased. Client had a bunch of our parts on it. It's a pretty sick car. Just needed a little bit more TLC. We disassembled the front end because everything was loose. He put it together. We wanted to be able to put our stamp on each entity of the assembly, and the arms were super tight. So we took them out and found out the steering box was squeezing on the beam like he had it like you know, buff status, you know, tighten. We don't want that. It's kind of one of those things you would just really want to either go torque settings on all your fasteners that would be in your Chilton or Haynes, or like us, we go by feel. What's too tight, what's too loose, that kind of thing, and use the proper lock nuts, Loctite, that kind of thing. But about, I don't know, 8-10 years ago, we did a video on Delrin, and we haven't fly cut, we haven't shaved anything. These are just like it is, but I wanted to show you how it moves. So let's show you how it moves. Butter. That's how it's supposed to be. If it doesn't, you need to polish your arm bushing from the wear. You need to polish it with an emery cloth and lube it before you stick it in. Kind of weird, but hey, we're very candid here at Airkewld. You gotta have that nice feel. If you don't have this, what you're gonna have is a bumpy ride. We don't want you to have a bumpy ride. We say no bouncing boobies in a Volkswagen. Stickers down below if you need a sticker, one of those stickers. Pretty hot seller. That being said, just a quick little tip. Make sure when you're installing your control arms, they go in nice. You can move them up and down really easy before you go on to the next step. If you decide to pick up a hammer, sell the car. You do not deserve the Volkswagen. Do not pick up a hammer. Pull them out, polish the surfaces, lube them up, put them in until they're butter. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next time.